Okay, this is going to be an unusual video because one, it's raining outside, and of course you can see my shop has no roof or walls or nothing, so I have to work out in this weather. We're back on our Buick today. We just did the wheel bearing yesterday, but I wanted to show you something on this car because oil change is what we're going to do on this 3.8. I want to show you something. If you've got one of these, or you've driven one of these, or you've owned one of these in the past, you know what I'm talking about. Normally, your oil filter is really easy to get to, but as you can see, it's right down there. There's two ways you can do this. You can either crawl in from the bottom, try to get at it from that point, or, let me move this coolant tank out of the way so I can show you. See this piece of plastic right here? That can come off. You can get at it from the side here if it's stuck. So that way you can get a socket in there or your filter wrench in there and you can break it loose on that side if you can't get at it from the bottom. Problem I keep having with this is I keep sticking my jack in the wrong spot when I go at it from the bottom. But if you've done oil change on these, the drain's just normal drain on it, except in the rain you want to open up your cap. I'm going to take your cap off and just kind of set it over here like on top of your battery, and then close your hood down so you don't get water in your engine. Then to get this off using this plastic, removing this, you got to take the tire off. So let me show you what it looks like if you're seeing it from inside the wheel well. Alright, this is inside the wheel well. You take that, these are pull outs, so you take a screwdriver and you pull the center out. Take this one out, take this one out. Let's see, then you got three more right there, and then this back piece comes off because it overlaps the front piece. And then on the front piece you've got that one and that one. So I think this might be a tip video or something like that, but we've all done oil changes, so I just wanted to show you maybe an easier way for you to get to that filter than going from underneath in the event that you can't get at it from underneath, or they constantly get stuck like this one does. But hope this helps, and if you have any comments or questions, send them down below, and we'll see you on the next one.